Well, oh well, I'm back again. Welcome to Rob John's Beer Reviews. Here we use a 16-ounce tube glass, frozen in the freezer for 20 minutes, and also we're going to be doing a 22-ounce bomber ranking known as 22-ounce bottle. For the frozen free freezer for 30 minutes, alright? Today we're doing Belching Beaver Hop Highway IPA. 7.3 ABV, 65 IBUs, bottle and date 129/18. Hops are Galaxy, Nielsen, Mosaic, and Citra. The aromas are citrus and passion fruit. It's a year-round beer. Let's open this bottle and see what we got, alright? Alright. Troy Smith, the master brewer of Belching Beaver out there in Oceanside, California. Listen for the hiss. Perfect hiss there, Troy. Alright. 45 degree angle. Here we go. So the half a head, the 3 fingers head here. I'm going to overpower here. Save a little bit left for drinking later here. There you go. Perfect pour. Got about a half finger hit here, and you cannot see through it. So this is an unfiltered beer here, but you can see this bubble streaming from the bottom of the glass, hitting the foam, aka known as lacing. Let's get a nose on it, shall we? Here. Smells really good. Let's do the. Let's try getting the bubbles here. There we go. Anyway. Cheers, Rob Johns. Chug it. Give it a double thumbs up. Okay. Let's do, let's mention the, here we got here now. I said it before, I think it said it was a year-round beer. SKU number is 140855226. The 22-ounce bomber at Total Wine Pleasant Hill, down the street from Pleasant Hill Bar there on Buskirk Avenue there. You get this 22-ounce bottle for $5.99. All right. Make the first toast to Troy Smith. He's a master brewer out there, Belching Beaver there, out in Oceanside, California there. Cheers, Troy. Chug it. Troy, I give you a double thumbs up, all right? Let's see what's next is on the list here. Okay. Toast to April Anderson, the assistant manager there at Total Wine in Pleasant Hill on Buskirk Avenue, down the street from Pleasant Hill Bar. Assistant manager there. Cheers, April. Thank you so much for helping me find this beer. I could not find it on the shelves there. Thank you so much for everything there today. And looking forward to seeing you again very soon to get another beer. All right. Cheers, April. And chug it. April, give you a double thumbs up, all right? See what the next on the list here is, shall we here? Toast to Raina Hess, owner and event coordinator of Event Designs. Cheers, Raina. Enjoyed meeting you there at Bevmo in the parking lot there this morning here. Again, cheers, Raina. Chug it. Okay. Next on the list here. See what we do here next. Toast to Anthony Iglesias, the beer rep there of Kona Brewing. Enjoyed meeting you there at Bedmo there this morning, Anthony. Cheers, Anthony, and check it. Anthony, I give you a double thumbs up. All right. Okay. Let's pour some more beer into this wonderful 16-ounce tulip glass. All right. Here we go. Getting you one overpowered here. Okay. Let's see if we can fit the rest of this beer into this wonderful 16-ounce tulip glass, and this is a 22-ounce bomber. Right. I think I over-aggressively poured too much too fast. We still have a little bit left here. So, still got about a half a finger head here. And you can see the foam here, right? That's beautiful foam. Yeah. I like showing that a lot because it shows the carbonation there. It's very carbonated beer. Damn nose itches. Damn it. Alright. Making another toast to Nicole. She's the cashier at Total Wine. It helped me rung up this beer here today at the register. Thank you so much, Nicole. Enjoy and chug it. Nicole, I'll give you a double thumbs up, alright? Let's see if we can maybe pour the rest of this beer into this glass, alright? Pour it in here. It's sort of a warm day. It's about 82 degrees out here today, 82, 83 degrees out here in Pleasant Hill. That's where I'm doing my videos here. My beer review video. Last drop. There we go. Last one. There we go. Alright? Now, anything else we're going to do here? Oh yeah, let's do the ratings here, shall we here? Rate beer, 93 overall. 91 style. Beer Advocate, 3.85. It's a very good range. Untapped, 3.75. It equals a B+. And Rob Johns, was here, myself, I give this baby also a B+. That equals a 95 overall, 95 in style, equals a B+. Alright? Anything else going on here? Yes. I'll be meeting everyone there at the beer festival tomorrow from 12 to 4 p.m. The waterfront park there in downtown Martinez there in the Martinez Marina. The Barrier Craft Beer Festival. They have it there once a year there. Sorry, I got tongue-tied. They're going to have about 35 breweries to taste there with your small commemorative glass they give you when you enter the gate there. They're going to be 2 or 3 rock bands there, and they're going to have food there. Go to eventbrite.com to print out your tickets, $35. This, by the way, it's the last day that you can print out your ticket. The day of the event there, if there's any tickets left, that is, it's $10 more. It's $45. Anyway, you park your car at North Concord BART Station, and the shuttle bus will pick you up at 11 o'clock through 7 o'clock, up and back free. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, I'll see you guys there, and I'll be passing out my business cards there. Alright? Let's see if I got one in my spare pocket here. Here we go, I just happen to have one right here. Here you go. Rob John's Beer Reviews. It's time for a F cold one, alright? And I'm changing it to frosted cold one, alright? We'll be passing out, I might be passing out both cards. My new cards and my old cards. Alright? So this should be pretty cool meeting everyone over there. And also let you guys know in downtown Napa, they're going to be opening up a grand opening there May 6th next month. Downtown Napa, Stone Brewing there. Brand new location there. Like I said, May 6th on Sunday from 2 to 10 p.m. It's about a 35-minute drive from Concord there. Anyway, check out when you have a chance there. I might possibly be there. I might pass out more business cards over there, right? Talk to you guys so much there. Thank you so much, YouTube, for everything there. Thank you so much for letting me do my beer reviews on there. And I have close to 8,300 views and 80 subscriptions. Go through click on YouTube. You see my beer reviews on there. Rob John's beer reviews, of course. Click on the subscribe. Once you subscribe, it's free, and you can see all my videos there. You have 113 videos to watch now. And this is beer review number 113, by the way. Anyway, cheers again. Thank you so much, YouTube, and check it. YouTube, I give you a double thumbs up, right? Okay, anything else going on here? Let's see here. Check out the bubbles again here. Better picture of the bubbles here. This is my HD 1080 pixel webcam. Pretty cool, huh? I love those little, cute little bubbles there. Shows a lot of carbonation in there. Anyway, I guess it's about time to head out here. You don't really want to, but I had no choice. Your magic words are on all my videos, specials, screw-ups, beer mails, top 10 videos, and one thing I forgot. Let's check the beer sentiment. The beer sentiment is on the inside the bottle here when the brewery pours it into the beer here into the bottle before they seal the cap there, to pressurize the cap there for carbonation there. It's some stuff settles inside the bottle there. Let's see if it's clear or not. I'll give a rating. All right, let's check it out. Okay, it's clear. I'll give this rating, sentiment rating, an A+. All right. Baka! Baka! Means bye in Russian, or bye-bye in Russian. Cheers. Last toast. Check it. Bye-bye. Yeah.